has been a hot minute since I last did a YouTube video, so I apologize for that. I've been a bit slack, but I've also been super busy with work and everything, and I just, if I'm being completely honest, have not been bothered to do a big video. I have some plans this weekend, so I thought, why not do a little video like for this weekend? I am currently, I would say bed rotting, but I'm not in bed, so lounge rotting. Yeah, that's the word. I've been sitting here for the past hour. I was meant to be cleaning and stuff and being productive, but I just can't be bothered. Today it's just chill, so I'm gonna go to my cousin's game in Tweed, so I'm gonna head down that way this afternoon, watch her play, and then that's pretty much it. Just chill out for the rest of the day. Tomorrow is the big day. My brother is doing his first marathon, so the Gold Coast Marathon is on, and he's running 42 Ks. We are going to go down and watch him. My parents are in Sydney today. I've got two brothers. One of them lives in Sydney and plays footy. The other one lives up here. My parents are in Sydney today to watch my brother play footy. And then, actually, you know what? Because this is getting posted after the marathon, I can actually tell you guys a little secret. So, we are surprising the brother that's running the marathon. We are surprising him with my other brother and flying him up with my parents, and he's gonna surprise him. Yeah, we thought, why not? So he has absolutely no idea. We're so excited to surprise him. That should be good. So we're going to watch him at the marathon. I'm just going to ride around the Gold Coast tomorrow, and we have Live 360, so I'll just find where he is and then just meet him at points. And then when my family land back on the Gold Coast, I'll go find them, and then we'll surprise my brother. And then after the marathon, we're doing a bottomless brunch. Actually, an update, I am doing 75 hard. So I am currently on day 34, and I'm not drinking. I'm going to be sober, and they're doing a bottomless. I'll just go for lunch. And yeah, that is a really, really quick rundown on what I'm doing. Been super slack with these YouTube videos, so I do apologize about that, but I'll try and get back on top of it. And yeah, if you don't already, follow me on TikTok, because I do post daily about like just my updates with 75 hard. I am posting like my running journey at the moment because I'm not a runner, so I've been posting just little updates about that. So follow me on TikTok if you're not already following me, because I do post daily, and you'll see more content on there from me. But that is my little update and intro for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, I'll keep you updated throughout the vlog. I literally lost track of time. It's currently 2:03 and I've still got 22 minutes to get there. Kickoff is at 2:15. So, my bad. I'm on my way there, go to the footy, and then we'll see how we go after that. I'm literally just wearing a singlet and what is that? Track pants. Not even track pants, but the most basic fit. Okay, so I'm at Kobe's game, my cousin's game, and I'm really multitasking. It's so cold, like so cold. I'm wrapped up in my blanket. I got Leighton's game on this, and then I am finished at the footy, and I am just on my way to Pack Fair. We're gonna get some dinner, and then that's basically it. I finished at the game. We ended up staying for first half of the men's game, and then we just called it because it was getting way too cold. So that is my update. But yeah, we'll go to UMG, get a feed, and then I'll go home. Actually, what's the time? I need to pick Mason up, so we'll see. We'll suss it out. But it's actually really cold tonight, and my outfit choice is just not it. So I probably have to wear, because I brought a blanket, because I was wearing a blanket at the footy, so I'll probably have to wear the blanket into the shops, because I don't have a jumper and it's freezing. So, and I'm wearing thongs. Mum, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry. I did not mean to not wear warm clothes. Because if my mum was home, she'd be like, you need to take a jumper, you need this, you need that. Because she wasn't home, I didn't. And now look, I'm cold. Anyways, I'll keep you updated after your MG. Good morning. It's currently 4. Not the smartest thing I've done. 4:07. I just woke up. I'm on breakfast duty this morning, so I am doing the kids' breakfast and getting him ready before he goes to the marathon. I'm so tired.
Morning, people. Today's the day. Sunday school, won a marathon run. Anyways, in true fashion, this is the first of many to come. Real hybrid athlete. Toka toka toka. Oh, that's cold.
His hair looks good.
Look at him.
That's the first one. Many more to come. Stay tuned.
I am running so behind time. Mason just messaged me and they've started running and tell me why I'm still at home getting ready. So he wants me to meet him at the 11k mark. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm literally like whatever he needs, I'm gonna be that person. That's where I'm at the moment. My bag is pretty heavy because he wants me to take these two and this with them. So I've opted for my bag, my travel bag that I usually travel with. Let me give you a haul of what I have in here. I got my hair perfume because I'll probably need it because I'll sweat. I got a portable charger. When he needs it, he'll let me know. I got his drinks. Let me just... And his hot bottle. And then I just have lip balm, lip liner. Not that I'll need lip liner at this time. And that's pretty much it, I think. I don't think I need anything else. I'm trying to work out, because I have to walk, I'm trying to work out if I take his bag or not, but then I'm just carrying it everywhere. So I think I'm just gonna make a trip home and then do that. I'm gonna leave so soon because I don't want to miss him run past. And then I'll also be keeping an eye on my parents and my brother when they land, so that I can find somewhere to meet up with them and then we can surprise Mason. Anyways, I'll keep you updated throughout my thing. I'm on my walk. I walked from home. It's been like, actually I can check, 1.3 k's, which is so easy, and I'm literally almost there. And Mason is, okay, he's down by SeaWorld, which is still quite a fair bit away. So I'll have time to actually get there and find somewhere to stand. And this is my view on my walk. Oh my god. How beautiful is this? Like, it's the nicest day, nicest morning. Absolutely stunning. I'm low-key puffed. My skin is breaking out so bad too. I have no idea why. I woke up and it's just not it today. Actually from yesterday. So I don't know what that is. Anyways, I'll keep you updated. I'm trying to save battery on this and this because I'll be out most of the morning. This is literally so cool. So busy but so cool. Am I allowed here? I don't think I'm allowed here. I don't think I'm allowed here, but I'm going.
Love you guys here.
Okay, I found my spots. Mason is coming soon. He's just messaging me. And I found here because it's the whole pass, so I don't have to cross over. But how cool. I'm so excited. I love this job. I love being the support person. So I am tracking him. He is there. And I'm here. So he's very close. I can't wait. I have his drinks ready. Where is it? His drinks ready. And he's going to stop so I can give it to him. And then I'll take the rubbish. But how exciting. I'm kind of nervous because there's a lot of pressure. Like I gotta be onto it. I gotta open the can, film him, and also get the rubbish. And also cheer because it's him and his friend. So it's a lot of pressure. We'll see if I'm qualified for this. Look at this group. That's so many. Pace is 4:30. Holy, these people are going fast. They should be coming up so soon. Just can't see them. Mace! I was trying to look. Bye! I nearly missed them. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, I was paying attention, I just couldn't see. Aww. Okay, now I need to work out where I'm going next. It's so hard to hold all this, but I got a coffee and I'm just waiting for him to come back around. He said he wants his next one at like the 20-25k mark. I'm just past that, but I'll move down further where it's like less busy as well. But this is so fun. My family just landed, so they're gonna head straight to the finish line and meet him there. Yeah, I'm literally like a proud sister, like literally, and like it's so weird because like I hold back tears because I'm like so happy for him, and he looks so happy and he's having so much fun. So yeah, and it's the most beautiful day. Absolute scenes. Okay, so we have moved and look who I've recruited. Wait. We've got Kobe and she's gonna give Mason's drink. He said he's coming up. Let me check. Almost here.
Resuming workout. Pausing workout.
How exciting. Yeah, there he is.
Nice!
Where's Libby?
Libby!
Go Mace! Go Libby!
I needed it. Hydration station. The coach. Thank you. Sponsor me. Oh.
Go, mate. Woo!
Good job, Mace.
Libby!
Okay, so we just drove the car to Southport and we're gonna go find Mason. But
Mind you, he's already called to said he was thirsty again.
yeah, he asked if we had any more hot bottles. So we're gonna go find him and give those. But we need to work out how to cross that because that looks so busy. What the heck? Is this a line? What for?
To cross.
Are you serious?
Yeah. To cross, literally to cross. Should we go over there to the left side?
Yeah. Should we? Yeah, just go through. We see them. We found everyone.
Good, how are you?
We are just finding the finish so that we can go see him.
You have to drink it all anyway. You can't.
Just say one for Mason.
I don't want to get
Mum said there's seats up there. Good job, Base!
Hello.
Good job.
Yeah, we got a shop for you. Yeah, we got a beer.
Mason. Wait, pick it up.
Oh.
Oh, the chili. Yo.
Welcome to 8th grade, lads.
Late.
This is my gift to you, mate. Oh, yeah. Good night.
Good night.
Oh. Selfish. Holy.
You surprised?
Do you see me?
My bottle's in my bottom.
Oh, you got the. Oh, you so ski. Oh, you come this time?
Alright, ready? Well done.